What's the unsung hero of your busy life, something you rely on every day yet remains a mystery to you? It's your second most expensive investment after your home. It can make your life a breeze or grind it to a halt. It impacts your family, social life, your career. It gives you time, convenience, freedom. It's your car. Think about it. We rely on our cars so much, yet we know so little about how to take care of them. Why is that? This lack of knowledge leaves us vulnerable. We fear breakdowns, costly repairs, and being taken advantage of. It's a safety issue for ourselves and our loved ones. And the automotive industry, they thrive on our ignorance. We're left to figure it out on our own, while businesses profit from our lack of knowledge. Hi, I'm Marco, and I've been there, frustrated, angry, feeling taken advantage of. That's why I created how2know.com. How2know.com empowers you with the knowledge to maintain your car and deal with mechanics confidently. We focus on two things: expert online mechanic consultants, to assist you when problems arise, help you understand the repairs needed, and be able to negotiate expertly with your mechanic. Preventive maintenance know-how. Learn how to keep your car running smoothly and avoid breakdowns. With how2know.com, you level the playing field. Mechanics will know you're informed and treat you with respect. If this resonates with you, join our email waiting list. The link is in the description below. And please share this video with your family and friends. Let's drive with confidence and peace of mind.